Hey you all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to break down 7 different ways of how you can make money using artificial intelligence in 2023. And very briefly, for context, my name is Cyril and I'm an AI product builder as well as a former employee of a Big 4 company. And all these two things, actually AI and finance, are the topics of this channel. So if that's something you would like to hear more from, definitely consider using that subscribe button below the video. That said, let's get started with the first possible point of how you can actually make money with AI in 2023. And that is to build your very own AI product. As an example, me along with a friend from Switzerland, we both developed a headshot generator using artificial intelligence, and all that in a matter of a few months. While we both had a technical background, we were by no means any experts in artificial intelligence or machine learning. It still was a huge learning curve and a huge trial and error process to build our very first AI product, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the area of generative AI. Also, some other sub-niches, for example NLP, are quite suitable to make your very first AI product. Then the second way of how you can actually meaningfully make money using AI 2023 is to accelerate or even to boost your AI content creation from 0 to 100%. By boosting, I actually mean that your generative creative process you already have deployed, for example, generate your videos on YouTube, on TikTok and Instagram, can now be very much enhanced by AI. Hopefully that leads to a higher productivity and to a higher quality of your content, which in return hopefully attracts more brand deals or affiliate marketing leads. And product number 3 is a very short association to the gold rush back in the days, because the people that made the most money weren't necessarily the ones that were selling gold, but the ones that were actually developing tools for the gold diggers to actually use on the fields and in the mines. And if we make the same comparison and we put it back into the AI money-making machine for 2023, then it's very likely to build AI tools for the whole data science or AI pipeline, starting with prompt engineering, data management and fine-tuning software, as well as deployment and cloud infrastructure, as well as lastly whole frameworks how you can actually run artificial intelligence in a company setting. Product number 4 is probably again an indirect one, very much similar to the content creation point I mentioned beforehand. That is all things associated to investing and research, but again powered by artificial intelligence, for example Bard. Because unlike ChatGPT, Bard by Google actually has real-world access and real-time access to the internet. So you could basically be asking Bard anything you want on a particular stock or a particular company. And I would still argue that this actually accelerates, even enhances the investment process in the long run, again for you to make a little more money on your investments as well as to achieve better returns. Then point number 5 is again a very much indirect one, and that is AI as a service. So for example, you might have heard about AutoGPT, basically a big GTP platform that kind of gives orders to other GPTs or other sub AIs. If you can basically establish your own kind of platform or service within that specific ecosystem, that in return might also be a meaningful way to make money on AI in 2023. And point number 6, and we're actually already reaching the end of the list, is literally leveraging ChatGPT in itself as well as Bard for multiple different tasks of AI that predominantly before AI was even a reality was actually manually done by humans. So here's just probably a not comprehensive list of how you can actually leverage, for example, ChatGPT, OpenAI's APIs, as well as Bard by Google to make money on using AI in 2023. Then to wrap up the whole list, one thing that is usually missing in a lot of the systems is actually labeled or annotated data. So if you can come up with a solution or service to generate labeled data for a specific niche, for example, insurance, banking, or other sub-niche that you can be thinking of, like retail, that in return might also be a meaningful way of how you can actually start your AI business in 2023. That's it for the list. It's just 7 different items, again, starting from AI products to AI as a service to using the whole kind of data science pipeline to make meaningful income using AI in 2023. If I added value to you guys in this video and you would like to see more AI related content as well as having some implications on finance, consider subscribing to that channel. If you haven't yet checked out our headshot generating AI called formalframe.com, I will also put a link in the description, and yeah, see you in the next video around AI and finance.